Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify pausing randomly. So let's get into it. First of all, open Spotify. Hit the settings icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap Clear Cache. When the pop-up appears, hit Clear Cache. Another way is to turn off data saver mode. To do this, open Spotify. Tap on Settings in the top right corner. Click on Data Saver. If it is toggled on, simply turn it off. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.